I think that in a situation where it's coming from the request of the actual person, not family members, and it is something that people should have a choice to do.
I think I'm for the ballot measure, because I think that, as long as it's still in the patient's hands, I think that they should have the right to decide for themselves if they're ready to, if they're ready to die in a dignified way, if they're terminally ill or whatnot.
I'm actually quite torn and not sure how I'll be voting on question 2, even though I've put quite a bit of thought into it. On the one hand, my concern for the dignity of the patients and sparing them a ghastly end weighs in one favor, but on the other, I'm not sure, and I believe a lot of medical societies have also expressed concern that the proposition on the ballot as it's written does not have what they would consider adequate safeguards in terms of psychological screening.
My opinion is I'm against assisted suicide. I grew up in Portland, Oregon, where assisted suicide is legal, and I remember, and I'm Catholic, so I remember at my church there was always a lot of debate. My mom's a practicing physician in Portland, and she was saying that most clinics in states where it is legal will do an agreement amongst all the doctors that they're not, that they won't administer it. It just sits with me wrong.